techniques and products that will help you in your evolution of your makeup application. I like this one. It's perfect for those of you with sensitive skin because it's got very soft granules in it. So exfoliate and then hydrate. And so to hydrate my skin, I use the L'Oreal Moisture Filler with collagen in it. Now let's talk about that delicate under eye area. We are starting to get more wrinkles in that area where we maybe didn't have in our 30s and our 40s perhaps. So I like to use a color corrector. And I love this one by Stila because it's a one-step color corrector serum. This is a good step to apply a nice hydrating serum with some color corrector. So now that we've neutralized that area, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And I like to use the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and I have this in N20. So I'm just gonna go right in this area to help brighten it. I'm gonna use a little bit of a primer just through this area, and I've been loving this Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. So next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I am using a hydrating foundation. This has hyaluronic acid in it. It's also a matte foundation.